My name is Tusithettiarachi. I am 4th year second semester student. In here, I build a Shift UI application, Shift UI mobile application to the help animal and sale animal. This is my home page. I named it Animal Kingdom. We can start it. And we can enter the email. And we can do a password here like this, and we can sign in. These are our home page, and we can add the animal name, key and breed Rottweiler, and location Candy, age 3 years, animal description is black, and we can choose a date here, and we can choose it 2022, and we can enter price 12,000, and we can enter birth weight, and we can choose an image here. All right, we can save it, and this is our animal details, and we can change it and update it like this, and we can also delete it. And I had to map here, and also I had to profile here, and I hope to this is my application. Thank you.